Are you interested in live streaming on the Twitch platform? Then you're going to want to make sure that you stay tuned to this Twitch setup video. Welcome to Live Streaming Tech, where you'll learn how to live stream like a pro with technology you should know. And today we're going to focus on how to set up a Twitch account. Take it away, Walt.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to type in twitch.tv in Google or whatever browser you use. Go to Twitch. You're going to click sign up. And this is where it's kind of important, but you want to pick a username that's going to be recognizable. So in other words, don't try to tag a bunch of numbers or letters that don't matter to the name. So let's try live streaming tech and see if it's taken. And what do you know? It's not. Okay, so now password, obviously, everyone knows how to set a proper password. Me, I'm just going to put in just a regular old password. I'll go back in later on and change it. So this is something that you're going to be able to remember as you're going to be going in a lot as you're setting up your channel, and you're going to be typing in this password over and over and over again. Date of birth, you can put pretty much anything down, but me, I'll go ahead and put in my birth date. And then email, this is once again, this is kind of important. This is something that you're going to be using a lot as you work in Twitch. You're going to want an email that's not filled with a bunch of junk and spam or whatnot. So if you have to start a clean email, I would recommend doing so. We're going to go use the techbroshow@gmail.com. It's a legit email. So that's the other thing too. Don't ever sign up for fake or don't give them a fake email. Don't give them a fake date of birth. Okay, so now as you see up here, up the right-hand corner, we have live streaming tech. Now this is what it's going to act. It's asking you what you'd like to watch. Now that's the thing with Twitch. You're going to find out that it's not just about streaming your content. It's also about viewing other people's content. And the reason why I say that is this is going to give you an idea of maybe what you want to go towards. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But click on something that's like you're interested in. For instance, if you're interested in, say, games, hobbies, activities, basically what it says at the top. So as you see here, until you click content that you're willing to watch or that you're interested in watching, it's not going to let you go on. That's why the next is grayed out. So just chatting, that's good. That's what we call IRL. I like podcasts and talk shows. Now I can hit next. Now what it's going to do, it's going to recommend some channels already. Obviously this guy right here, he is doing art. So if you're interested in art, maybe you're interested in this guy, you hit follow. But me, I'm just going to hit skip for now. And then it's going to give you another, and I don't speak that language. I'm assuming that's Korean. Hit skip. And then once again, it takes me to another Korean channel. So we're just going to hit next. Okay, so here we are, we're on the landing page, and as you see upper right hand corner, you can click on this. It will actually take you to your page. There's live streaming tech, 0 videos, 0 events, 0 followers, 0 following. But now we actually have a Twitch channel we can build upon. Here's the edit panels. This is where we're gonna later on place our branding or buttons or our artwork. Whatever we're going to do to color up the page and keep viewers interested in us.
Awesome stuff. Hey folks, if you enjoy some of this content and you've appreciated, you're going to want to make sure that you check out these other videos right up here. You're going to take a look at those, browse through them, and make sure that you stay tuned to this channel. In the meantime, I'll see you there.